Alvin, handa na akong kumuha ng life insurance. Alam ko na kung ano ang dapat kong kuning klaseng life insurance. Meron na rin akong enough budget to pay for the premium that I have to pay. Now, ang next na question na iniisip ko is, saan ba ang best na company na pag-applyan ng life insurance? Yan, magandang question yan, mga kwentuhan. So, yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Stay put kayo. Alright, so yan. So pagkwentuhan naman natin ngayon is yung isa sa mga pinaka-importanting question on or before pagkuha ng life insurance is ano ba ang best company to apply or get the life insurance from? Now, yung Insurance Commission of the Philippines, who is governing body in terms of identifying or making sure that the insurance industry in the Philippines is working well to cater the clients or the customers' needs. So they have actually 6 metrics that they consider for an insurance company to be a performer in terms of this industry. So ano ba itong 6 metrics na ito na kinoconsider ng Insurance Commission of the Philippines? So the 6 metrics that they are considering is number 1, assets. Second is yung net income, followed by net worth, paid-up capital, premium income. So before, itong 5 metrics lang yung mini-measure nila. But recently, I think this year, last year, they added a new metric which they call yung NBAP, which stands for New Business Annual Premium Equivalent. Alright? Though these metrics are very important on a business standpoint in understanding and identifying which is the best insurance company currently in the Philippines. Now, there is one website which is yung grit.ph. They have consolidated all these 6 metrics and average, for them, out of the 6 metrics, Sun Life is the number 1, top performer in terms of the performance of the Insurance Commission. Now, just a disclaimer, I am not connected to any of the insurance companies here in the Philippines. Currently, I'm not connected to any one of the life insurance companies, no? Let me show you, before I continue on with the list of, or the at least top 10 insurance companies that is top performing in the industry right now. Let me show you a page or a page in the insurance website which shows the complete list of the insurance companies in the Philippines. So that you get to be guided also kung ano ba yung mga companies na pwede niyong puntahan if ever that you have decided already to apply for a life insurance. So ito yan siya. No? So tingnan niyo na lang itong website na to, i-visit niyo yan siya, and then if anywhere you are interested to apply for any of these companies, then you may do so because currently they are all listed in the Insurance Commission website as a legitimate company, life insurance company to make business in the Philippines, right? So going back, so as I mentioned earlier, there are currently 6 metrics, that the Insurance Commission look at for them to say that the insurance companies are performing. So ito nga, number 1 is yung NBAP or NBAPE. So if you're going to look at this page from the Insurance Commission website, you will see here the complete list of at least 30 companies here. And currently the number 1 is Sun Life of Canada when it comes to new business annual premium. Yan siya, no? Next naman is if you're going to look at it on a premium income on a yearly basis, sino naman yun na nagtatap dito. So it shows here that with a total earnings of, at least from year 2019, si Sun Life again yung number 1, no? So these are just two of the metrics that you may want to, that I'm sharing with you, aside from the remaining 4 more, no? Now, as I mentioned earlier, though these metrics are important, but one thing that you need to consider is that ang pag-apply ng life insurance and when you're selecting for the best company also is that this is need-based, no? Need-based, yan. So that's something it's very important for you to consider. Hindi ka just magbe-based lang sa dahil siya yung number 1 or whatnot, but you have to make sure first that does the company able to provide the need that you're looking for with regard to the life insurance. So there. So now that we have understand the 6 metrics that the Insurance Commission of the Philippines is using for them to measure the performance of a particular life insurance company, I'm going to share with you also I'm going to share with you 5 important things that you need to consider when you are going to select for an insurance company, no? In no particular order, one thing that you need to consider is yung product, right? The product that they have or that they are currently offering. Does the company offers the product that I'm looking for when it comes to a life insurance commission or when it comes to a life insurance? So ano ba yung mga usually mga things that you have to look into as for the product? So in my previous video, I shared with you yung particular types of insurance. Merong VUL, merong whole life, merong term life. Will they be able to provide me the product that I'm looking for depending kung ano yung gusto kong i-apply na insurance? Do they have the riders that I'm looking for? May it be a death benefit rider, may it be a health rider, may it be a disabled rider or anything in particular, will they provide that for me? So that's number 1 product. Next is yung financial solidity nila. Yung long-term things that you have to consider in terms of will they be able to provide the financial needs of the customer when the time arises. So yung mga metrics na tinignan, i-share ko sa inyo kanina, that should answer itong financial solidity part, no? Next is yung tenure in the business. So you have to look at also yung tenure nila sa negosyo, kung gaano ba nila katagal na ginagawa yung life insurance business. Because one thing that you need to consider is that will they be able to sustain the business that they have? Because on the basic importance of life insurance is that when you apply for it right now, you don't necessarily need to use it in the next 5 months, 6 months, usually long term before nyo magamit, especially ng mga beneficiaries nyo, di ba? So will they still be able to sustain their business when your beneficiary needs the money already? So kailangan importante yung tenure sa business, kung gaano na sila katagal. Ayan. So next that you have to consider would be yung premiums and costs. So when I say premium is yung is it affordable for you to buy the product that the insurer is offering you when it terms to the needs that you're looking for, no? So kailangan importante yan because aside from they are able to meet your needs, kailangan syempre sakto ba sa budget nyo to sustain the premiums that you have to pay on a yearly basis, monthly or quarterly. Usually, ang pagbabayad ng insurance would take 5-10 years minsan. Depende sa type of insurance, meron whole time na you have to pay for it. So, kailangan sakto sa budget. The 5th and last item for me that is also important, and for me, ito yung critical, no? Aside from the tenure of the business ng company or ng insurer, importante rin para sa akin as a person is the person that you're going to talk to who is representing the company. Yung tinatawag na financial advisor or yung life insurance agent. Because number 1, sila yung middleman na meron kayo in direct contact with the company na kailangan nyo tanungin, hihinga ng advice, hihinga ng question and tulong with regard to the insurance product that you're selling or that you are buying pala. Now, if the person that you are talking is something na hindi nyo kakilala or sa tingin nyo mahirap lapitan, then that's something that you may want to consider also. Because at the end of the day, you have to ensure that all questions that you have related to the product is answered. Kasi kailangan merong peace of mind, di ba? Yan yung isa sa mga bagay na kinukuha natin, yung peace of mind, why we wanted to buy for the life insurance product. Alright? So I think these are the things that you need to consider in selecting for the best life insurance company once you have decided really to avail of the product in itself. Okay, mga kwentuhan?
Alright, so yeah, so that's it for that video, mga kwentuhan. So I hope you learned something for that, and if it did help you learn something about the questions that you get to ask yourself about life insurance. So please help me share this to your friend and family para marami tayong matulungan. And if you haven't done so, please hit that like button also. And again, share this to your friends and family. Hanggang sa susunod nating mga kwentuhan. Bye-bye!